Hey everybody, EJ Leiden at Prosit Business Consulting. In the world of free things, sometimes good deals can get lost, and hopefully today isn't one of those. Just like our other videos, all we want to do is try and help and provide maybe some thoughts of how things could improve in your business. So this video is an appeal to those in administrative and operational leadership that might be struggling with some very specific issues. We'll get to those issues in a second. At Prosit, our core competency, what we do, we help with continuous improvement, operational development, organizational development, and operations management. What don't we do? Well, we're not a forklift training company. We don't do safety training, although we know people that can do that, and we help provide those as a resource and as a collaborative group for you. We're not HR, we're not lawyers, we're CI and operational excellence. Our appeal is to those leaders who have specific issues like that. What are we really good at? We're really good at process improvement, really good at collaborating with organizations to help hone in on the particular issues you might be having. In this video, I'm offering a free assessment. What does that mean? You have things that are happening every single day, and maybe you're too busy or too tied up in those, or maybe you're firefighting and you don't have an opportunity to find those things and really go after them. So I wrote some notes down here just to make sure I really stay on track. How to help us and how to move organizations into a different place. What are some of the issues that you might be faced with as a leader? What are some of the things that might indicate that an assessment might be valuable? Your KPIs. Are we behind? Do we even have KPIs? If you're asking yourself what's a KPI, maybe we should help. Speed to market for new product development. Great idea, but it just doesn't get to the factory. It doesn't get to third-party manufacturing or distribution fast enough. Speed from operations, accounting, engineering, customer service. Are those internal processes bogged down in the weight of their own slow inertia that we don't get to the market as fast as we'd like to? And then typical manufacturing and distribution KPIs, on-time delivery, quality, scheduling or backlog challenges. Do we really have schedules, or are they just a backlog report, just basically a sales report that tells us how much work we have, but it's not really a schedule and it doesn't translate to a manufacturing or distribution schedule? Organizational development, and we're talking about staffing, which everybody seems to be dealing with today. Onboarding. On the chance that we do get somebody, how do we keep them? That's retention as well. Supervisor, training, and accountability. Those that are in leadership positions, have we trained them, or did we just take the best operator we have and move them into supervision? What's that mean? We lost our best operator and now we have an untrained supervisor. And then leadership training. Again, accountability, ownership of leadership. Dashboarding. Do we have visuals? Do we have a scorecard that shows us the things that need our attention on a daily basis? Plant layouts. Are we efficient? Do we move things around efficiently? Or are we picking things up and putting them down and picking things up and putting them down? How many touches do we have through our assembly processes, even through our distribution pieces? Inventory management, controls, costs, levels, and that leads us to supply chain, including negotiations. So there's just a handful of things that might pique your interest as to things that could improve within your operation. So what's an assessment look like? It's as simple as a phone call. Just keep it simple. Let's talk through what the issues are, what maybe is driving you crazy, what are your pain points. What we're really good at is helping organizations understand their current state, assessing where they are, but not just pointing at something and then leaving. Now we collaborate with you to help to find what a course correction or an implementation, any little solution might be. And we work with you to help collaborate that, to help you come up with that solution. And then secondarily after that is we also guide in the implementations. So we help you define what the opportunity might be. We collaborate with you to identify how we go about making changes to improve your situation. And then lastly, help with the actual implementation. And that's our strength. That's what we do. So if you feel like talking with somebody and having an honest assessment or working through maybe what the issues might be, even if you don't use us for implementations, we're happy to help. Contact us at prositconsult.com. There's a contact page there for that. You can hit up our phone numbers on those contact pages. Whatever you need to get a hold of us, we're happy to help. Hope you have a great day and stay safe and be productive. Thank you.